our video walk around of our 67 Barracuda Convertible with the all-powerful famous slant 6 and automatic. Really an awesome car. It's just one of the most low rust muscle cars, or whatever you're going to call it, that we've ever seen. It's just a really terrific car. Definitely got some little dents. Claim to have mainly original paint. And I'm going to do a little video of the interior. Really a wonderful car. Looks like somebody might have redone the bucket seats. They're way too nice to be kind of the original ones. Just a really, I'm going to say pretty much a turnkey car that is really, really nice. Some of the interior is original and showing some wear. Top is actually kind of been on there a long time, and it's showing some wear right at the edges, but that's to be expected. Glass rear window, trunk is amazing. There's lots of photos of that showing all the details, but great car. Really, Mopars are getting hard to find, and certainly could do a V8 conversion with this. Something to be said for having the original slant 6 in there that runs really well, but pretty tempting to put a 340 275 Commando or something else in the car, but here it is. So available at Vintage Motors in Carnation, Washington, which is having a rare, beautiful sunny day. So you can find us on the web at www.giocars.com or call 425-985-4259. This car will be up on YouTube. The video, we have lots of photos of this car inside and out. I don't think it's going to last too long. I think somebody's going to really fall in love with this car and really enjoy it for the summer, which is here. Thank you very much, and see us on the web at www.giocars.com.